flight from AOPA's Gulf Shores fly-in Alabama over to Winter Haven, Florida. It's almost like a tale of two flights. We took off early Sunday morning, a beautiful flight along the Gulf Coast. My first flight for that length of time across the Gulf Coast, a beautiful area. And then we cut inland, and as we neared Tyndall Air Force Base, it was just a night and day switch. And that's the devastation from Hurricane Michael that came ashore as a Category 4 hurricane. You just saw mile after mile of neighborhoods with blue tarps over all of the houses. In some areas it looked like perhaps some homes had been wiped out completely. Trees were laid bare, most of them were fallen down, and the destruction continued. As we neared southeast of Tallahassee, though, it was as if nothing had happened. At least over the wooded area where we were flying, the trees were full of their leaves, but for that short period of time, the devastation was just horrible. And it made me really thankful for all of you pilots who have given so much to help fly relief supplies in to help those who've been affected by the hurricane. And maybe some of you delivered those blue tarps that we saw on the rooftops.